Hello there, kiddies. This is Jaybird again from Hoosier Mower. Just letting you know we got her done, son. Yeah, she's running like a champion. And we actually didn't even use the kit. I showed you the carburetor part on this. We took the carb apart, cleaned it out real good, you know. It does still need a rebuild kit for the carb, I'd say, but you know, she's working, so we're gonna fire it up. Joker. Put it on first. Running like a new one, baby. Again, it's Jaybird. Subscribe, rate, and what you think, son, even if it sucks. Thanks. Later.